we're doing another video today. Where are you, Busty?
Over here, the guard.
Oh, what's
Over
up?
here, the dark.
Man.
Oh, you're so strong, at you. You're so strong. And
Yes,
just
I have Ferrari.
You eat vegetables?
Yeah, I eat
I just eat junk food. I do what?
Hey, yo!
Can you help me?
Okay,
Too strong?
pag-ubos na yun sa'yo.
Okay.
Hindi naman inuubos eh.
I'm gonna spawn a house first, okay?
Okay.
Gusto niya putulin mo niya.
I want the swimming pool. Have swimming pool and
Ay,
yo. Oh wait!
doon.
Wait! What? Asan yung ano number house niyan?
11.
11?
Yeah.
There, 11. Caleb, help
What?
me. I want the swimming pool, okay? And have in a swimming pool na loob in a gym.
Okay. Gotta park the garage.
Okay.
Wait, I will roommate you. Wait lang.
Can
Wait.
you meet me?
Roommate. There, I roommate you.
Oh,
Can you open the garage?
Okay.
Hindi ka makain.
Open the garage.
Kain na. Sila, basta.
I need the stronger first.
Jordan ka na?
I need to eat healthy food first.
Yeah.
Tsaka.
Oh, you're so strong now.
Yeah, it's so
I'm
strong
gonna
now.
work out now.
I just gotta work out.
O, Tita Nikki.
Oh, it's so strong. Let's go swimming,
Ayun
bro.
na niya.
No swimming.
Oh, gymming?
Yeah, on the gym. We're gonna,
Let's eat healthy food.
Hoy, kain na.
Okay.
Sabing, dito ka. Ano yan sa'yo?
We need to eat healthy food.
Kain na, kain na.
Sorry guys, we're just eating vegetables now.
Yeah.
Ano gusto mo?
Wait, get out. I got an apple
Oh, Chok, Tid, yan daw si Lucho.
and a banana.
Dito ka na lang.
I need water.
What? Cold
Can you give me some water?
water?
Yeah, give me some
How
water.
about milk, bruh?
Milk? Okay, give me
You
milk.
know how? You know
Milk,
how
bro,
to suba?
give me.
Okay.
Can I
Give
see?
it to you. Give it to you.
I'm gonna get it na lang. Give me
Just
that.
give it to you.
What's this?
Give.
I've already.
Get. Oh.
Eh, nahuhulog.
Okay.
Oh.
I need to test the volume.
Oh.
Let's go gym. Follow me.
Okay, let's go in the gym and
Wait
go.
outside. I'm gonna get the car, okay?
Let's go in another gym. I don't want this gym
One more,
in a
right?
house. They have no training wheels.
Sa labas.
Putol na.
You drive, okay? I'm gonna close the window, then I'll sakay, okay?
Or, man.
Let's go.
Water.
Maning tours spam.
Subo na lang kita para...
Tapon!
Ay, sorry. Subo na lang kita para di matapon na. Natatapon siya eh.
Going.
Eat ko na eh.
Hoy, sabi kain eh. Basti! Pigilan mo yan.
Kuya lang. Kuya.
Come on, Basti.
Okay, wait. Tubig. This is the gym.
Yeah, dito yung gym.
Oh. This is the good now. 1, 2,
I'm gonna treadmill.
4, 5, 6,
I'm treadmilling.
7, 8.
So, eat ka na, oh. Para di mahulog na. Mm.
Oh.
O, subo ka na.
Now,
Wala na, kinuha ko na.
it's over here.
Ito pa.
Kumain ka na.
Oh.
Kumain ka na.
I'm lifting the weights right now. Wait, switch tayo. Switch.
Lapit ko sa'yo.
Diyan ako.
Yung rice.
Press
Yan,
it.
kulit kasi ni Lucho eh.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Bilang kumain
5,
ka. Kumain ka na.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Hindi na hot yan. Amin na. Wala kang ulam mo. Put kang ulam mo. Eh? Oh.
Let's go home now.
Ilan pa?
4!
We need to sleep. Uh-oh, we're lost.
The house 11, bro. Yeah,
Where's
bro.
the house? Where's house 11? Alam ko, pero nasaan? Uh-oh. Can you open the gate, please?
Okay. Ano block? Ano ba ito?
So, kumain ka muna. Nag-charge kang tablet mo. Nag-charge ka.
Okay, we need to go to
Eat na. Nag-water ka na? Oh, done ka na?
sleep. Why are you swimming in the middle of the night?
Oh, baba.
You're supposed to be sleeping.
That's good. Why not? Why? Why not?
Are you eating? You love basket?
Yeah.
Done ka na, Cho?
Yeah.
Nag-water ka na?
Yeah.
Bakit?
Papa, Please. Please. Oh, brother. Please. 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 Papa.
I don't know.
Rocky, bend down. Rocky, bend. Yeah, Rocky, bend. Join lang, join. Ano ka, Alice? Join lang nila. Rocky, bend. Join. Rocky, bend ako.
Ayoko na, busog na ako. Ako din.
Ubusin mo lang.
Yee. Baka naman ko lang kaya bigyan, okay? Bye.